ओस की बूंदे पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर। ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें, उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने, मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे, ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर।
जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निंदिया, और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना, और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई। जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी, जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी, जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई।
ये तो आशा की लहर है, ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है, खुशियों की नहर है, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर।
The idea of the camp was by Mr. Kumar, and he was the person who first gave this idea to us, and he worked out all the details. And we were little hesitant in the beginning, and we didn't know how it would work, but he pushed us a lot, and he took a lot of initiative, and yeah, that's how the camp was born. And he was a person who did similar camps before. He had experience of working with kids. How this all began, and the purpose of doing the camp is to try to inculcate a habit of theatre, right? To expose theatre to students at a very early age. That's the main reason why we started the camp.
Basically, I'm a friend of Kumar, and he brought me into theatre. First, I started with him my theatre career, and that too with children. So presently he called me to direct a play, and I came here. It was a very good experience, and such a place, this kind of workshop happening, like, it is really a good experience to me, and even I have learned many things from this camp, and even from children, and even from local.
We started this camp with a lot of hopes. I think though we get less number of students, but we are very happy that management supported us, and this will take us through a long journey, and this is a beginning point, and we have started our journey. Working with kids is just one thing, and we have a lot of other plans also, and we want this to become a movement, a theatre movement, where it will help to strengthen the democracy and the thinking capacity of youth, and so it's a movement and we are one step ahead.
Like Vinay said, the summer camp was entirely Raghumacha's idea initially. Highlight of the camp is that, see, when we were, there are plenty of summer camps happening throughout the Bangalore, but there are hardly anything that we can call that, like workshop for kids, specifically theatre, which happened, and this I think gives a very good platform for kids to get that experience of theatre, acting and all that. And the fact that we have other like craft works like origami, dance also, that actually adds to the dynamism of the camp. And also the fact that we all brought in together the resources, like that Uday sir agreed to direct the play, and Lava sir managed like get the support from the management and everything put together in a very short notice. We had very less time. I'm sure we can build on this from the next time.
Hello, I'm Lolita and I'm their dance teacher. Basically, this time I've taught them 3 dance forms. That's Bollywood, Western and freestyle. Bollywood is the first song. I basically wanted to see how kids come up with their expressions, with the movement, the style, the rhythm, the sense of rhythm. And it was actually very nice. I've even made them do a lot of exercises. I bet they will be complaining about it. But then working out here was really fun. There was actually a little less time, I feel, because of which I couldn't work out much on them. But then whatever I have done, I'm happy about it. And the kids here, they're amazing. Thank you.
I'm Maria and I was teaching them singing. The kids were awesome, but sometimes I felt it was very boring, like they used to fight among themselves, and yeah, I had hard times also, I had good time also. Spent a very nice time with kids, and yeah, they learned singing also very well, and some kids have difficulty in singing, others okay, they sing well.
Hi, this is Jyotsna. I taught them painting. The kids were very fast in doing painting. We had different sessions for the small kids and for the elders, like this. They learn fast.
I'm Trevor Anthony James, and I've been in this camp. This camp has been a very interesting one for us. It's taught us lots of things, how to deal with kids and all, and it's we know like how to handle our patients nowadays after being with these kids, especially these kids. And yeah, next I give it on to the next girl, Spurti Kanasu.
Myself, Maria Spurti. 20 days of this camp is good enough. We learn many things about these kids and their behavior, everything. And we even found a little bit difficult while conducting activities as they were a little bit naughty enough. Yeah.
Okay, I am Swarshita. We had a good experience being in this summer camp, and we learned how to tackle kids seriously. And being 20 days with them, it's not a joke.
We are going to miss those kids actually.
Yeah, actually they were really good.
Few kids were really awesome. We love them. I personally miss them.
And the activities we conducted also was interesting ones, which they could learn stuff. For example, these 2 girls, they conducted some opposites, and I conducted a collage which could bring out the different ideas in them, what they could do, and it was a real good one.
They enjoyed actually. Few people are really enjoying.
Actually, I should appreciate parents for sending them here, because they were the
At last moment, all these things came up, and after the parents brought them.
And few kids even regret for missing few things, but at the end of the day, they are happy with the camp. That's what I want.
Even we too. We are happy.
Yeah, hi, this is Akib here, and I taught the kids here origami and occasional dance. So my experience from this camp was actually really fun for me too, because my origami skills, actually I've been practicing origami from my school days, but in between I actually let go of it. So teaching with these kids has brought my skills back and helped me a lot. And yeah, I learned a lot from these children. Things that I've learned about them is how to interact, how to be like friendly. And the kids were really good. Most of them were very talented, and they have a very good creative mind. And yeah, very smart too. Many of them have very big potential to be really great in the future, great name in the future. And yeah, many of them showed actually interest for many of the stuff here. They were actually very interested in many of the things which we taught them, and they actually picked up really fast. So that shows their intelligence, that shows their capabilities. I wish to convey a message to the parents. Please support your children so that they develop. Most of them have discovered what they like here, so please help them develop them as a hobby, because who knows, maybe that's what they are meant to do. So yeah, that's my message, and thank you.
It's nice. I like the dance and skill. I don't like beatboxing. It is difficult. Really difficult. Okay. The painting is nice. You can do whatever you want. Summer camps are really fun and it's nice. And then lots of things. I like the dancing and the theatre. Acting, because the skit is getting boring because the crowd is not there proper. The characters, like Odessa, half the time is pissed off. So one thing which is good here, I like the dance. Theatre, the dance, the little bit of beatboxing, and I met my friend Ursi coming in with me. I like the drama and the dance. Drama? Yes, because everybody are good to me. Because we can learn from summer camp dancing and other basic things. Beatboxing. You can catch me. I like everything. One thing which I don't like. I guess it might be the nothing. I like everything. I like everything. Beatboxing.